together we are Majestic Love. So today, basically, I am so happy because babe decided to do more than one video at once. He never usually does this. So babe, here's to you doing my more videos with us.
No.
The Majestic Love Squad has been wanting to see you.
I would want to see you if I could see you.
Okay, Mr. Conceited. And I'm here in Jamaica because, guys, this was so impromptu, me coming down here. I did not plan to come down here. But when your man saying, "Miss, I want to see you," you gotta make time for him. So basically, we're gonna talk about long distance relationships.
Yeah, that's something.
Obviously, babe, you're playing with my hair. What's wrong with you? As you guys know, we are a long distance relationship couple. I live in the US, Florida. He lives in Jamaica.
That was in Jamaica. You know, say, you are going. She have to come Jamaica. Regular cars. You know, say, your man and man want them servicing regular, you see me?
Anyway, we're trying to help other couples like ourselves. You know, I live in the US, he lives in Jamaica. We're trying to help other couples like ourselves to cope with being in a long distance relationship. Babe, can you elaborate from the male perspective? What's it like being in a long distance relationship? You know?
You are going, man. You have good night. Because you know, if you're money in their yard and you want to touch you, you go ask you where you go, who you go with, why you go this. You see me?
I still ask you that over the phone.
No, sometimes I can't just tell you anything you want to tell you.
What? Babe, don't hurt yourself.
Because
In the words of Beyonce.
You want to go to the other bridge in them shit, say yo, go do what? Which part? What time you come back? You see me?
So that's the pros. What are the that's the pros.
The
What
pros.
else?
Yeah, and you know, you by yourself more while, you see me? You can't hold your one.
Another pro of being in a long distance relationship from the male perspective.
As a man, and I get to keep my money in your pocket, you see me? Do you man that about to tell you, say, baby, you know, say, me here want to do, me nails want to do, you see me? And she come down, you know, say, you have to take her out, you have to do this, you have to do that.
I want to go on dates. I want to do
Isn't
all
it
that.
so?
Everything that
when
we've
she
already
not there, when she not there, I can't have more money. If you do more things, isn't it? Things that me want to do. I have more time to go ball girl. I love football. And from she there from about Tuesday. I know on Saturday I'm gonna kick one ball since she go. Isn't me get more time.
Yeah.
Me can't just when she there on the phone, me can just start to say, yo, me and got ball girl and gone. Come back if she want bex, she bex.
What?
No, she got answer.
First of all, any Bex in Aguan, he's the one that get Bex. Because, as you say, just like how you have the pros where you're here and you get to do all these things, I get to do those things too as well in the States. You know what I mean? But he won't let up. Like, he will call my phone 10 million times back.
Yeah, me have to run with you, give you a thing.
Really, babe?
Yeah,
Too much vodka?
No?
Just like him, I get to do whatever I want to do, but to a certain extent, because he might go call me 1,000,001 times, right? In terms of keeping the relationship spicy, babe, you know what I mean? Like, how do you manage to do that being in a long distance relationship? How do you manage that?
Alright, I normally do me like send a bad song to bad picture.
Okay, you do send me bad pictures. But that's
bad
your way.
videos and them thing there. And you know, you have to do that one time she want you, see me? Me did it like right through night.
Oh yeah.
Because
we
normally
sleep together on the phone, we do.
Normally like she go hotels all over the place and you know she wanted that she's scared and them things so. I make sure you know say whenever you reach in call me.
Also guys, I'm a flight attendant, you know, for the new
Yes,
people. I'm a flight attendant, so I'll be in the hotels a lot of time. But you know what? He made my life so much better. And not only that, guys, because I knew him from way before I was ever in the States, it made it easier for me to like be comfortable with him and love him and all these things. But what advice would you give, real quickly? What advice would you give to people that are in long distance relationships? You know, to men in long distance relationships. What advice would you give them?
My advice, yo, if she worth it, you see me? If you in yourself feel say, yo, that girl that worth it, that woman that worth it, stay true to her, isn't it?
So
Holy faith to that.
Worth it. So you're saying that you only be in a long distance relationship with a woman
Yeah,
that you
if you're
consider to be worth it.
I'm gonna tell you, see if a woman worth it, a man will do anything for her.
Oh, baby.
But you see if she not worth it,
Yeah. It not gonna work.
nah, go for it.
Yeah. For me, long distance relationship, I don't know if sometimes I think what triggers me is the lack of his presence. You know, sometimes I need his presence in Florida, where I live. I need his presence to like get rid of croaking lizards. I need his presence to like cuddle me to go to bed at night.
No,
I need his
so my
presence.
what she want me for, like, she don't know if it's a no to people.
What?
So my time in front of me, don't want to go so many, I say, I'm going to say to him, say, yo, don't go, cause that go up me. And say, if we did it, would I ensure, if I was there, would I ensure, say, yo, she not go or she not do that. You see me? That I present to you miss.
No.
You miss the present when they go tell you, say, yo, don't do that. Don't go there, so.
No, I don't miss having a parental figure. What I do miss...
I'm not a parental figure, but the thing with me, I'm not going to stand up and watch you do something stupid.
So y'all get the picture. With me, I just miss his presence there. I just miss cuddling, sometimes slapping my ass.
Bad man not cuddling.
Them little things there.
Bad man.
Them the things that me miss with him. Just in presence, you know, that's the hardest part for me to you know, see other people, them family and them loved ones and all that stuff, and you know, I don't have him here. But when I come here, I feel that sense of, you know, being.
Free.
Yeah.
So why we argue so much when you come here?
We argue a lot, and I think our arguments just stem from his stubbornness.
Stubbornness. Your argument come from
we are both
outside interference most of the time.
Outside interference, and we're both
most
stubborn. It's always just stubborn.
Because right? I catch some things where she okay with or she will put up with, me not bend to that. You see me? Me a man will stand up, me have standards, you see me? I set certain rules, certain guidelines with. You don't cross it. Once you cross it, it's done.
Okay.
No matter who you want to be.
Alright, babe, please don't stray from the topic.
I'm not stray from this, I make you know. So that's what me argue more.
Yeah. So in a long distance relationship, you're saying that arguments are usually...
Everyday thing. All short distance relationship. Argument everyday thing.
Arguments are natural in relationships, right? Comment below, guys. Are arguments natural? Because me and him, we argue. We are not perfect. By no means. Don't be fooled by these lovey-dovey videos. We are not perfect.
Yeah.
We are not perfect. But what I can tell you is that being in a long-distance relationship, it pushes you to a certain limit. You know? Babe, pause it. Don't make you play.
No,
being in a long-distance relationship, it kind of pushes you to a certain limit. You know, like, I got to know myself way, like, if I'm a loyal person. You know? Yeah, it makes you like, because true, I can tell you that there are a lot of distractions when you're in other, you know, places. Like, you know, you can see other people out there. It tests your loyalty, you know? How about you? You feel like being a long distance?
It tests my own real hard. You
yeah.
see me? Because I go out on the road and more and remember, say, yo, that. And I went chop on, I say, oh, hot girl pass on me. I say, yo. You know me on the third male and the look.
Hot girl?
It mean. So hot thing pass and for the third male and look at me and say, yo.
So you be looking?
Yeah, me a man, I offer any man who say, yo, then they with the woman and I look for one next man I pass. Something wrong with it. I offer look. And she look good, I offer look. So you know see one man I pass way. Anything up, you don't look for it.
I don't know.
You don't know.
Like, I don't look at him like, damn. Like, men look differently, but me look more like, oh, okay. You know, I don't be staring down. But yeah, guys, comment below. What are your...
Listen, when my con still, When I want it, you know, there. Just that alone, I'm like.
And he wants it, guys.
Another thing. Every day.
Another thing, when I come down here, I can't get no break.
It's more want it.
Can't get no break.
I feel in for days of mine in there.
Can't get no break, like,
I
guys.
feel weeks.
So I don't know, comment below if in your long distance relationship, are you getting any breaks? Because when I come down here, he want to make up for every single day. And girl, I am tired. Okay. So comment below, guys. This video is 13 minutes. 15 minutes is my maximum. Babe, any words of encouragement to people?
Yeah,
because I have some people, shout out to the people on here who commented saying they're living in England and they might have a a spouse in Jamaica, or they're in Canada and they have a spouse in Jamaica. Shout out to you guys. All right,
see woman them way are they spouse in Jamaica, just go and hold it. You see me, a good man, we are Jamaican, she a good man, you see me. You don't have to take care and impress them, sir.
Oh yeah, you know they be going climbing tree and picking breadfruit and banana, and then we cook for you and all them things, because trust me, I gained so much weight being in this relationship. It's just like, why?
Alright, man, you soon lose it.
How?
Alright.
And this concludes this video because I had to bribe him to get on here. So you know I'm a priority.
The payments.
So, you know, he's had way too much vodka. That's not gonna happen. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let us know all your comments, all how you feel about long distance relationships. Would you ever be in a long distance relationship? Don't forget to subscribe as well. We are at 222 subscribers. We're aiming for 300 subscribers
by Friday.
Friday, babe. Yeah. What day is today?
Today is Saturday.
Well, yeah, I am very ice, sir, but I'm here for it. So see you guys in our next video. And just like that, Majestic Love says, peace.